Okay, real fast, we're gonna go through some things that you gotta make sure that you remember every time you're using these machines, okay? So, first one is always wear a life jacket. Never let anybody ride the machines without wearing a life jacket. Not only is it the law, but it's also for safety reasons, right? So, always make sure that anybody that's riding the machine is wearing a life jacket and that they're tethered to the key. So, when we say tethered, we mean this key here is a kill switch. It's attached right there. You can zoom in on that. It's attached there, and then this gets attached to the life jacket, right? Okay, so if you ever have an emergency and you're driving, that will kill it. Pull that off. We just store these in here. Registrations, in case you get stopped by a fish cop, are inside here. Okay, we're talking about a couple features of the Tricks machine real fast. On the right is your throttle. Okay, that's your, and remember that you only have control if you're giving it gas. Now, these have a pretty cool system. It's called IBR. This is a brake on the left, but it's not like a brake like you're driving a car. Remember, you're on the water, so it's not going to stop you dead in your tracks, but it'll slow you down pretty quickly. If you tap this, you actually go into a neutral, slightly forward mode, so you can come in real slow for loading the machines and unloading the machines, and coming up to a dock or approaching another boat. So again, remember, tap it, and it puts you in a slightly forward, but mostly neutral position, and then you can control it, and it's a little bit safer that way. If you hold it down, you're in reverse, and then you can throttle it and go in reverse this way. Okay, so you're going backwards, you're holding this down and going backwards this way. If you're going real fast and you pull it, it acts as a brake. So it's holding it as a brake, it's also reverse, and then tapping it will put you into an idle mode. Okay, couple other things. Really important, you just want to make sure that you don't ever run these machines in shallow water. That's the worst mistake you can make, because that'll cause damage to the machines and you'll lose your deposit. So make sure that anybody that's riding the machine is always in 5 feet or more of water. In other words, if you can touch, you're too shallow. So make sure that you're in plenty of deep water so that you don't suck up sand, rock, or you've also got to always be watching for ropes. That's the most common mistake that people make, is they suck things into the impeller, and then that just ruins your day, and it ruins ours as well, because quite frankly, we'd rather give you your deposit back than have to work on these machines. So do that and everybody will be happy. The other thing that's probably the second most common problem is people coming in too hot and crashing into somebody else, either the other machine or to a boat or to the dock or to the beach. Always come in slow. Use that IBR system. Just tap that once and you come in really slow, be cautious, and we won't have any issues. Always make sure that you kill it once you get to less than 5-6 feet of water. Just pull that, kill it, or you can hit this button right here. This is your start and stop. You hold that down very deliberately and that will start the machine and then also stop the machine. Or again, you can pull the lanyard off of this little clip right here, and that will kill the machine as well. So make sure to never have it idling or running at all in shallow water. That's going to save you some time and money, and us some frustration as well. So those are the most important things, the most common problems. We'll go through some other features on this quickly. To gas them up, you lift up right here, pull it back. This is where your fire extinguisher is, and then your gas goes in right here. Of course, these take high octane only, so it's octane that's 91 or higher only. And so we appreciate you doing that. And then just fill them up rather slowly. They'll burp up gasoline on you if you go too fast. So just fill them up slowly, make sure that you can see that it's full, and then you're good to go there. Okay. That's probably the most important stuff, and I think that's probably good for now. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.